Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing spaghetti and meatballs very fast. So we're going to start off with our meat mixture. We're going to add in all the ingredients. Everything will be in the description below. We're going to give it a good mix, make sure everything is thoroughly combined. And then we're going to go ahead and start off with measuring out the meatballs. I like to use a food scale, but you can use just eyeball it if you want. Doesn't matter what size as long as they're all relatively the same size. Once we're all finished with the forming of the meatballs, we're going to add some grapeseed oil to a cast iron pan and do a hard sear on these guys. So you want them in probably for about 2 minutes, and just like every story, these meatballs have 3 sides, so make sure you flip them at least twice. Once they're all seared, we're going to go ahead and add them to the tomato sauce. If you want the recipe for this tomato sauce, you can click in the card at the top right of the screen right now. And we're going to just go ahead and continue finishing those off. In the meantime, we're going to boil up some water, add some salt, and then add our spaghetti. You want to make sure you mix them around often and leave them in for about 9 minutes. Once they're all finished, we're going to add some butter and some extra virgin olive oil and give them a toss up. Now it's time to build. So we're going to add some sauce into our spaghetti, give them a mix, and then begin plating. Pretty simple plating here. We're going to add our meatballs on top and then top it all off with some tomato sauce. And that will do it, guys. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next week.